Just back in at the fence line Blackbird, and as you can see there, one chick, a good few days old. Little pins coming in there, and but 3 infertile eggs, and I'm not getting it this year. They're not going to hatch out of there, judging by the size of that chick. How strange. Remember, this was the one with 5, and mysteriously, when I checked back in, they had a clutch of 4 and one breaking out, which was obviously this guy. But you can see the age of him now, and then the 3 eggs not. And you know, that's strange. I'm not getting that. Similar thing when I've done it. And this looks pretty poor at the back there as well. It's just not getting that. Just a quick check in on one of the Yellowhammers. This is the one that eggs. Check out 2 unhatched eggs. What's going on? What is going on? Right. Let me get out of here. Just in there, there's a new linnet nest. It's not what I'm looking for, but still a little beauty that. Yeah, birds just come out. 5 eggs. Yeah, another linnet. Where are those Yellowhammers at? This one here is the 3rd Yellowhammer I'd found on that day. This was the showy, well, very showy nest, stood out. Having said that, the bramble, the rosehip, is well covered it in now, which is good news. And no bird here, but you can see the clutch now. Beauty eggs. Yeah, that's the showy Yellowhammer. What a nest that is. Female pheasant is still sitting tight. Bramble patch. Not moving one bit. Less than a metre away. No. Just in here. Looks like a new Yellowhammer's going in here. Yeah, I checked this area the other week. There's nothing. That looks new again. It's in the bramble. Sticky jacks there, but aye, that's going in there.